Karen Pfeffer, co-founder of Firepower Seminars, here tonight with Jenny, who has firewalked with us before, and she had such an amazing story. I wanted her to share it with all of you. So Jenny, would you mind sharing?
Absolutely. So this is my second time. This is for EO Entrepreneurs Organization. So this is EO Detroit. Look at how we do this. I actually could not wait till they come back. You know why? Last time you guys were here, I walked on fire. And after I walked on fire, I feel like I can do literally anything in my life. Every time I hit a bump or something bad is happening in my life, I go to myself. My God, who cares about all this bullshit? I walked on fire. This is probably the most badass thing you could ever do in your life. And I highly recommend it because after this, nothing else matters.
Deeper.